about adding passive income to your coaching business? What if your very first digital product could do more than just make money? What if it could position you as the go-to expert in your niche, grow your audience, and help you attract dream clients with ease? Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that by creating your first ebook. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to launch it strategically, design it beautifully, and use it to grow your coaching business from day one. So stay with me, because by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to turn your expertise into a scalable digital product, even if you've never written anything before. Hey there, I'm Mariah Riona, award-winning luxury brand designer, luxury branding coach, and the host of Super Bloom Coach podcast. And this is Super Bloom Coach Presents, the ultimate guide to starting your life coaching business, a daily video series created to walk you step by step through launching your coaching business with clarity, confidence, and strategy. Every day this month, I'm sharing a new episode designed to help you build a brand that stands out, sells out, and supports you and the life you actually want. But real quick, before we dive in, I'd love to hear from you. Have you been following along all month, or did you just find this series? Either way, I hope you've learned a ton and it's inspired you to take action on launching your coaching business. If so, could you do me a quick favor? Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, or leave a 5-star review over on Apple Podcasts. It just takes a second, but lets me know that you're loving these episodes and that you want more just like them. Thank you so much. Also, if you haven't yet, be sure to download the free workbook I made to go along with this entire series. You can grab it at mariahriona.com/workbook, or by clicking the link in the description. It's your companion guide to take real action and start building momentum right away. All right, let's get started. Step 1, start with just one problem your dream client has. If you've ever stared at a blank screen wondering what to write, this is why. You're trying to solve too much. The best ebooks solve just one problem, one very specific pain point your dream client is currently facing. So instead of trying to write an encyclopedia, focus your ebook on a single transformation. For example, if your coaching niche is about helping busy moms find more balance, your ebook could be the 3-step morning routine for peaceful, productive days. Simple, specific, solves a real problem. And if you're not crystal clear on who your dream client is, or you're attracting people who aren't aligned, this is exactly where you need to pause and do the foundational work. My guide, Client Breakthrough, is going to help you uncover your unique ideal client and show you how to start attracting those people into your business. It's a 50-page workbook and the same process I use with my one-on-one clients. So I'll link it in the description if you're ready to go deeper. Step 2, outline a clear transformation. Your ebook needs to have a before and after. Where is your reader starting and where will they end up when they've finished? That is your transformation. Again, this isn't about teaching them everything you know. This is about delivering one clear result. So ask yourself, what's the promise I'm making with this ebook? And can someone read it, apply it, and experience a win within 24 to 48 hours? That's the goal. Quick win, clear value. Once you've identified the transformation, your next step is to reverse engineer the process. So break down the journey into 3 to 5 key steps, phases, or shifts your reader needs to make to go from point A to point B. This becomes your outline. Each section of your ebook should move the reader one step closer to the result you've promised. Think of it like coaching on paper. You're guiding them through the process with intention. And this is where your value as a coach really shines. You know how to distill complex ideas into clear, actionable steps. You know how to meet someone where they are and walk them forward. Your ebook should do exactly that, gracefully, strategically, and with your unique voice. Step 3, write it like you coach. Speaking of your unique voice, this is really where it matters. The best ebooks don't sound like textbooks. They don't try to be overly academic or formal, and they certainly don't sound like they were written by AI. The best ebooks sound like you. Your reader should feel like you're sitting across from them, coaching them through the process. That means you're using your tone, your phrasing, your personality. Let them hear your voice on the page. Don't be afraid to be conversational. Share examples, use analogies you'd use in a session. Reference real experiences. This is what makes your ebook feel personal, and that connection is what builds trust. And remember, you don't have to start from scratch. You've likely already created content that resonates, whether it's an Instagram post that got a ton of saves, or maybe a podcast episode that sparked replies, or a blog post your audience loved. Repurpose it, rework it. Your ebook doesn't have to be brand new content. It just needs to be curated and structured content that serves a purpose. And that's the beauty of being a coach. You already have the insight. You already know how to communicate transformation. This is just about packaging it in a way that scales. If you're ready to finally package your brilliance into a scalable product and stop gatekeeping what you know, drop a "let's go" in the comments. Step 4, keep it short and valuable. An ebook is not a book. I want you to keep it short. 10 to 20 pages is more than enough. You're not aiming for quantity, you're aiming for clarity and transformation. Your reader should be able to sit down or read it in one sitting and immediately take action. That's what creates momentum. That's what creates trust. And that's what makes them want to work with you again in the future. Step 5, design it to feel elevated. Now, let's talk about design because yes, it does matter. As a luxury brand designer, I've seen this firsthand. The design of your ebook, your fonts, colors, layout, imagery communicates just as much, if not more, than the words you write. Every single touch point in your business is telling your audience something about your brand. And if you want to attract high-end clients, the design of your ebook should reflect that. For my one-on-one clients inside of Luxury Brand Leader, this is something we obsess over. Every lead magnet, every ebook, every PDF we create is intentionally designed to reflect their elevated premium brand because that's what builds trust and that's what sells. Even if you're DIYing right now, I want you to think about the feeling you want your ebook to create. Use clean, consistent branding. Choose on-brand colors. Use your brand fonts. Add a few bold call-out quotes or workbook-style questions. It doesn't need to be complex. It just needs to be intentional. Step 6, use it as a lead magnet or a paid product. Once your ebook is written and designed, you've got two main options. You can give it away for free as a lead magnet to grow your email list, or you can sell it as a low ticket offer. Think $7, $17, $27 to start bringing in income and filtering for more serious leads. Both options are valuable, but what matters most is that your ebook leads somewhere. What's the next step you want your reader to take? Book a discovery call, join a free workshop, apply for coaching. Make sure your ebook includes a strong call to action at the end because a passive product can be a powerful active part of your sales funnel if you build it intentionally. We actually do this for every one of my one-on-one clients inside of Luxury Brand Leader. As a part of their program, we create their beautifully branded lead magnet, typically an ebook. And the last page always includes a big call to action with a clickable button to make sure the reader takes the next step. This is how you make a free product actually work for you. Step 7, promote it like it's a launch. Don't just upload your ebook to your website and cross your fingers. You need to treat it like a launch. Build anticipation. Talk about it on social. Share behind the scenes of you creating it. Build a wait list and count down to release day. When you treat your ebook like it matters, your audience will too. This is one of the simplest ways to start generating income in your business without burning out, without being on social media 24/7, and without creating a full course right away. So start small, start smart, but just start now. So now it's your turn. Start brainstorming your ebook topic and map out the transformation you want to help your readers achieve. Remember, this does not have to be perfect to be powerful. Start messy if you need to. The most important thing is to just start. And coming up in the next episode, we're talking about building your dream team. If you're starting to feel maxed out or wondering when to bring in support, I'll show you how to hire help without giving up control or burning out, so you don't want to miss it.